Want to become a Memecoin sniper and grab those explosive gains before anyone else? First, download and set up Phantom Wallet from phantom.app. Make sure to write down your seed phrase and keep it safe. Fund it with Sol to prepare for trading. Next, head over to photonzool.tinyrocket.club. This is where the magic happens. Connect your Phantom Wallet by clicking Connect Wallet and approving connection requests. Click the Snipe tab. Paste the Memecoin's token address into the token mint address field. You will find this on Solscan, the blockchain explorer. Enter the amount of Sol you want to spend on the trade in the Sol amount field. Start with a small amount for testing. Set your slippage tolerance. For volatile Memecoins, a higher slippage, like 510%, might be necessary to ensure your transaction goes through. Now, click Snipe now and confirm the transaction in your Phantom Wallet. Double-check all the details before approving. Congratulations, you've just sniped a Memecoin. Remember, Memecoins are highly risky, so always do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Good luck out there. Happy trading, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto tips.